Hello and welcome. In this video, I am going to discuss two formatting groups, font and alignment. Let's start with font. Fonts refer to different styles of text available in Excel. How to use font? Select the cell or range of cells where you want to change the font. Go to the Home tab, locate the font group, click on the drop-down menu and choose a font by clicking on its name. Click on this drop-down menu next to font size and select the desired font size by clicking on it. You can increase font size by clicking on this increase font size button, and you can decrease font size by clicking on this decrease font size button. If you want the more highlighted text, then click on the button bold. Alternatively, you can use Ctrl+B shortcut key as well for bold the text. To implement italic formatting on the selected cell, click on the italic button or press Ctrl+I shortcut key. For apply underline or double underline, click on the arrow and select underline from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, press shortcut key Ctrl+U. You can also use double underline by selecting from this drop-down menu. A highlighted button indicates that this effect is currently applied. To remove these effects, click on the highlighted buttons. If you want to apply a new or different border style, click the arrow next to the borders button image and then click a border style. You can see the borders. If you want a more customized border, click more border. Here you can see different line styles, colors. You can select different border styles: top border, middle border. You can put diagonal lines, left border, right border. You can select pen option also. If you select pen option, you don't need to select cells to apply it. You can draw more flexible style. Click on the line to apply it or left click and drag. You can select grid style. Click and drag to apply grid. You can erase borders by selecting this erase border option. You can see border erased. Press the escape key to return to the regular mouse pointer. If you want to apply background color, then select the cell or range of cells and click the arrow next to fill color button image and then select the color by clicking on the color. More color options are available here. You can select a standard one or a customized one and then click OK. If you want to apply font color, then select the cell or range of cells. If you want to apply font color, then select the cell or range of cells and click the arrow next to font color button image and then select a color by clicking on the color. Alternatively, you can use these attributes by selecting the cell or range of cells and right click on them. A context menu will open. Here you can see font group attributes. Now alignment. To set text alignment in Excel, select the cell or range of cells, then click on the desired alignment button to apply it to the selected cells. Top alignment, middle alignment, bottom alignment. You will understand the effect of top, middle and bottom alignment if I increase the height of the line. Align left, center, right alignment. If you want to display text at different angles, then select the cell or range of cells, then click the arrow next to orientation button image. Then select the alignment option by clicking on it. If you click on Format Cell Alignment, a dialog box will appear. Select Alignment tab. Under the Orientation section, select one of the present options or enter the desired value in the degrees box to set a custom angle and click OK to apply the changes. Now wrap text. Let me write a long text. Now select the cell and apply wrap text to this cell. It wrap text to the next line within the same cell. Now select the cell. Then go to Home. Locate the alignment group. Then select Merge and Center from this drop-down menu. Merge and Center. Merge the selected cells into one cell and center the content. Now merge and across. Select Merge and Across. It will merge all the selected cells in the same row into one large cell. If we select Merge Cells, merge the selected cells into one cell. You can see the effect that I get. If we select Unmerged Cells, then we will get back to the original position. If I click the Increase Indent Image button, the text moves away from the cell border. If I click the Decreased Indent Image button, the text moves closer to the cell border. That's all for today. Thank you. For more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.